All right, now that we're randomized, I think we're about ready to start. Teams, in 3, 2, 1.
And we're off as we see 3058 lowering themselves from the lander as 13439 does as well.
A good showing. It looks like all the teams have lowered themselves from the lander.
It seems that 2 of the teams in the Red Alliance have knocked their gold mineral off, and 1 from the Blue Alliance. And it seems that 750 unfortunately was not able to get their marker into their depot during autonomous.
Driver,
and on to teleop.
pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And we begin with the teleop period as the drivers pick up their controllers.
A strategy we'll often see here is the bots that started near the corner depot will start to push the minerals off the sampling field in.
And it seems that Team 3058 has unfortunately gotten hooked onto their lander and doesn't seem to be able to escape. Hopefully they'll be able to get out in time to aid their partner.
750 pushing some minerals over into that depot.
Team 3058 gets themselves free and continues to help crowd minerals into their own depot while preventing the opposition from doing the same. Team 13439 trying to corral their minerals that they are currently have in front of them into their depot, but are running into some motor troubles.
267 over in the corner working on the depot. We haven't seen anyone drop anything into the lander yet, and we're getting real close to end game.
Seems that 3058 trying to corral those silver minerals into their own depot as we approach end game with 15 seconds left.
267 moving more minerals into that corner depot, being very careful to avoid too much possession.
Team 13439 managing to get a gold mineral from the creator into their lander.
And we're into end game. 750 lines up to hang as along with 267.
Team 13439 trying to lift up their arms so they can hook themselves onto the lander with 15 seconds left.
It almost looks like 267 slightly misaligned. Maybe they can still make it.
6 seconds.
It doesn't look like 267 is going to be able to pull themselves up this time. And that's the match.
And we got the results back from match 2, and we have red team as the winner. We can see that the autonomous segment was key in here as they scored 45 more points than the Blue Alliance.